Hello and welcome to eGames. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own car in Roblox. Go ahead and open the Roblox Studio. After you run the Roblox Studio, wait for a while as it will take some time for you to log into your account. Then choose an environment you want to create your car on. Your environment has loaded. On the left hand side you can see the categories of vehicles and other things. Go ahead and enter one of the vehicles, and this has been created. Let me show you another example again. Let me keep it on the road first, and let me go for an example. Go to the left corner, go to vehicles, go to cars, press on see all, and you can select the car you want. This is to import the car, and for you to create a new car of your own, you should go ahead and check other YouTube links to see how you can perfectly create a car. This is a perfectly working car right here. If you want to create your car of your own, you should go ahead and check other YouTube accounts. So, this was a video on how to create a car in Roblox. I hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.